Lucy's Green Thumb, a tale of community and growth. Lucy, a bright and energetic 15-year-old, lives in a small town in the heartland of the USA. She has a passion for nature and dreams of turning her big backyard into a lush garden. Lucy's town is peaceful but lacks green spaces. The children have nowhere to interact with nature. Lucy decides to change this. Lucy starts planning her garden. She researches different plants, learning which ones are native to her area and beneficial for the local ecosystem. Lucy presents her plan at a town meeting. She speaks about the benefits of a community garden, a place for children to learn, a habitat for wildlife, and a source of fresh food. The townsfolk are inspired by Lucy's vision. They come together to clear the land, prepare the soil, and plant the seeds. Lucy's dream is becoming a reality. Weeks pass, and Lucy's garden blooms. It becomes a hub of community activity and a haven for local wildlife. Lucy's small idea has brought about a big change in her town. At the end of the season, the townsfolk gather to harvest what they've grown. They celebrate their hard work and the bonds they've formed. As Lucy looks out over the garden, she dreams of what it will become in the years to follow. She has not only grown a garden but also a stronger, greener community. This story highlights the power of community, the importance of nature, and how one small idea can lead to significant change.